In this video, we are going to create this inflated effect in Adobe Illustrator. Now take the tab tool and write something like 25. Now increase the size of this design and fill a nice color. Now right click on the text and create outlines. Okay, now our design is ready. Now we can delete this. Now select the design. Now go to effect and click on extrude. Now click on inflate. And these are the settings we can change. And here is the rotation properties. We select front. Now go to materials. We are selecting the default material. You can actually choose any of these. Now here is the base properties. The metallic property should be 0.1 and the roughness should be like 0.35. Now go to lighting, and here is the all options that you can choose from, and here is the settings of the lighting. And here is the shadow option. Now to render our design, we have to go to here and click on ray tracing, and here is all the settings. Go to raster settings and check all these defaults. Click OK and click on render as vector and render. It will take some time. And here is our design. This is how can you create this amazing inflated effect in Illustrator. Like this. And this one is with shadows. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.